This is part 2.
This is part 2 of the Ultimate Marble set, and now
Our mom's getting a new one, which is gonna be really cool.
And now I'm using all of these marbles on one thing.
6 marbles. Let's get more footage. Let's get better footage.
And now watch this.
It's going a lot. Whoa! Man, yeah, look at all those. Okay. Now we're gonna do it at the top. Do the top. Okay. Now we're gonna do it at the top. So you're gonna go down, go there, and a little cycle, and go like that, go down, blah blah blah, and then here. So that's the marble set. This is the elevator, but it doesn't work. And ready, go! Going fast. Look at these ones. It's all going. Oh, 2 got smashed. 3 got. Oh, all of them got smashed. Let's get better footage.
Whoopsie.
They're all going. Wait, do that cyclone again. And
Now
the
one
cyclone.
test.
Another test.
Whoopsie.
And there's
Put it on there. Put it right here. Okay.
It's gonna fly down on it.
Well.
And that's all for today.